Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do cross multiplication. So first I'm going to tell you what cross multiplication is. It's an easier way about how to get a whole using a part. Okay, it's how to get a whole using a part. So with me, it means that if we have a part of something, we know what the amount of how much that part is, then we can calculate what the entire sum is. Okay, I can explain it in an easier way. For example, if it's Sunday today and 20% of the workers are gone from work, and we know that 50 workers are away from work, so that means that 20% is equal to 50 workers. And we want to know how many workers there are in total. So we put 100% here, and X workers. W stands for workers. And this is where the cross comes in. So we do 100 times 50, which is equal to, times 50, which is equal to 5,000. Okay, and then after that, we do another line here, but last time, remember, we did times. So the two diagonal numbers that we do know, we don't know the x, so we can't do x times 20%. So the two diagonal numbers that we do know, meaning the 100 here and the 50 here, we do times each other. And then the sum of that, we divide by this number that is put here. So we do 5,000 divided by 20, which is equal to 250. And that means that in total there are 250 workers in the entire working area. So now I'm going to give you some questions for you to answer. I hope you can answer them, because what I just showed you is basically the basics of everything, because this is really easy. You can use this trick for a lot of math equations. It's basically the same thing as a triangle. You know the triangle. It's basically the same thing as that, but I think it's a little bit easier because you know where stuff are supposed to be. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a question. Okay. 10% is 5 candies. The C is for candies. So 100% is equal to X candies. Now, I'm gonna give you a little bit of time when this is not, and without pausing this video, but you can also pause the video if you want more time to complete this. Okay, so basically, you do 100 times 5, 100 times 5, which is equal to 500. 500 divided by 10 is equal to 50. So that means 50 candies. Okay, now I'm going to give you a word problem. Okay, so if you can't read what I'm writing in this word problem right now, just check the description. I've written it there because I'm not really good at writing on this platform. I'm better at writing normally because I don't write good. Okay, so I'm already kind of failing. Okay, so Ben has sold 10% of his whatever, it could be like phones. Let's say he has a phone shop. 10% of his phones. He sold 10% of his phones, which was equal to, he sold 50 phones, which is basically those 10%. So now, how many phones did he have from the beginning? Okay, so if you can't read what I've written, just check the description. And when you've solved this, good job. Leave a like for this video and subscribe for more math and maybe science and other stuff videos. Goodbye.